everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a facial. As you can see from the title, it is about Organic Harvest 30-minute makeover a facial kit, and this is, I think, their Organic Shield Anti-Tan facial kit. So summer is here, and so the tanning has also begun, and it's time to start taking care of your skin. So maybe all the time we cannot go to the parlors and get our anti-tan cleanup or facials done. So yeah, this retails for 245 rupees, and it has I think 5 sachets. At the back you have all the instructions written how you should use and what is there in each sachet. And yeah, let's just quickly start, and I'm just going to read what this says first. With Organic Harvest 30-minute makeover Organic Shield Anti-Tan Facial Kit, you achieve quick salon-like results at home without spending time on salon appointments. It comes with an assurance that only certified organic ingredients come in contact with your skin, and that is very good. Use this kit in easy-to-follow steps and the results will be gratifying. So this kit contains 5 sachets. So the step 1 is cleansing milk, step 2 is anti-tan face scrub, step 3 is massage cream, step 4 is mask, and step 5 is sunscreen. So a basic facial kit that has all the things that you get like when you get a facial done, and in fact in most home facial kits also. And yeah, so let's just start, and I will read everything as we go. So these are the 5 sachets that come with this, and they are all, I think they are all numbered, which is good. So let's quickly begin. First, let's get the hair out of the way, and then we shall continue with the video. Okay, so I have just washed my face like regular, like with a face wash, and let's just start. The first one is the cleansing milk. I have a scissor right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open all the sachets at once, because once the hand gets into creams and all of that, I don't want to mess it up. Lightly just wet my face, and I'm going to take this cleansing milk. I'm going to take some on my hand, and I'm going to start gently massaging the cleansing milk into my face, basically trying to just deep clean my skin at this point. I'm going to also go and apply this on my neck as well, because I want to do the facial on my face and neck as well. Then I'm just going to clean it off with a slightly wet towel and move on. So let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is anti-tan face scrub. Apply and leave for 1 to 2 minutes. Then massage in gentle circular movements for 2 minutes and wipe off with moist cotton. So here we have the face scrub. I'm going to use this like on my face and on my neck both. You're supposed to apply it and keep it on for a couple of minutes before you start to scrub it in, massage it in. Just make sure to apply the scrub like all over your face and your neck. Just don't be so close to your eyes like I did. Just avoid the eye area. And yeah, just massage it nicely onto your skin, and after that wash off the face. So now we wait 2 minutes, and then I'm going to start scrubbing. I'll be right back. So I'm now using like very gentle pressure. You don't want to be very harsh to your skin while doing the scrubbing also. And don't do this like so close to the eyes, as I keep mentioning. Later on I realized I shouldn't have done that. But basically just scrub your neck, back of your neck, your cheeks, and around your mouth area really nicely, so that you get the most effect from the tan removal. As you saw, I did apply the scrub under my eyes. Don't do that, and certainly don't like scrub under your eyes. So I did not scrub under my eyes. I gently just washed it off, and now I'm just going to pat my skin dry. And that scrub did sting a little bit when I applied it, but it was like tolerable. Nothing I could not tolerate now. But my skin does feel like very clean. So now moving on to step number 3, that is the massage cream. So take the massage cream on your fingertips and apply all over face and neck. Massage with tender circular upward motion for 10 minutes. So this is it. I'm going to take little by little and just keep on applying it.
So this is the part where you actually use your arm strength when you massage your face for like 10 minutes. But yeah, start by like in circular motions around your, you know, from your cheeks to your nose, and take your time with it. It's like for 10 minutes, and use like upward and outward motions, like I'm doing with the neck, like upwards. And like you don't want the skin to sag, you want the skin to be lifted, so that those are the motions you have to use. Like for the cheeks also, just to pull it up, not pull it down. And just take your time. It's a tiring process. 10 minutes massaging your skin, like it's not very easy, but do that. That is going to give like you the deep conditioned effect, hydrated effect for your skin, and it'll also boost the blood flow to your skin. So yeah, keep on doing that.
So now moving on to the fourth step, it is the mask, and we're almost done. So for the mask, you have to apply evenly all over the face and neck, avoiding eye area, leaving it on for 10 minutes, and wet the mask and lightly massage to remove, and wipe off with wet cotton, and then rinse gently with cold water on face and neck. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply this, wait 10 minutes, and then we'll do the final step.
So now I'm just going to apply the mask, and let me tell you, this mask was like so cooling, and I really liked this mask. It is very easy to apply, it spreads evenly, and it did like calm my skin down. I felt like very relaxed after I applied this mask. So yeah, make sure to apply the mask on your face and neck evenly, and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes.
So I just washed my face, and oh my god, my skin is really looking like deep cleaned, and it's looking like I can feel like a little bit of tan removal has also happened because my skin is looking so bright. So yeah, let's move on to the last step, and it is the sunscreen. So don't forget like to use your sunscreen whether or not you are doing facial or not, all over my face and my neck. And I have used Organic Harvest's sunscreen in the past. It is very nice. It is like non-greasy. Here we are at the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this at-home facial routine that I just shared with you. And Organic Harvest, I really do recommend this one because first, it is not expensive. 245 rupees for getting, you know, this kind of anti-tan treatment right at the comfort of your own home. It's very good. Plus, I know like the ingredients used in Organic Harvest are good. It's not like it's a cheap brand, so the ingredients might not be that good. That is not the case with this brand. I've used their products earlier and I vouch for them. They are good and they are free of parabens, mineral oils and animal products. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this at-home facial, and I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.